What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to increase the ringer sound on your iPhone. The first thing to check is the silent switch on the side of your iPhone. It's located on the left side of your device, just above the volume buttons. Make sure the switch is in the up position. When the switch is down, your phone is in silent mode, meaning you won't hear a ringtone for incoming calls. This switch can easily get bumped when you're putting your phone in or out of your pocket, or when you're using a case that might press against it. So always double check that the switch is set to the ring position to make sure your phone's ringer is actually on. Next, you want to make sure your ringer volume is turned up. You can do this by using the volume buttons on the side of your phone. Simply press the volume up button until the volume bar on the screen shows that it's all the way up. If the volume is too low, you might miss a call or alerts, so it's a good idea to keep this turned up if you rely on your phone's ringer. Another thing that can mute your ringer without you realizing it is focus mode. If you've accidentally turned on Do Not Disturb or any custom focus mode, your phone might not ring for calls or alerts. To verify this, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Look for the focus icon. It looks like a crescent moon, to make sure it's turned off. If it's on, your phone might be silencing calls from certain contacts or apps, which could be the reason you're missing calls. If all else fails, open your Settings app and scroll down until you find Sounds and Haptics. Tap on that. In this menu, you will see a section called Ringer and Alerts. By default, there's a slider here that controls the volume of your ringtone and alerts. Make sure the slider is pushed all the way to the right to maximize the volume. If it's too low, you won't hear your ringtone very well. Here's a critical setting you want to enable. Just below the volume slider, you will see an option called Change with Buttons. Turn this setting on. What it does is let you control your ringtone and alert volume with the physical volume buttons on the side of your phone. If the setting is off, pressing the volume button only changes the media volume and won't affect the ringtone volume. By toggling on Change with Buttons, you can now use the volume buttons directly to adjust how loud your ringtone and alerts are, making it easier to tweak on the go. Sometimes, certain ringtones are naturally quieter than others. To make sure you're getting the loudest ringtone possible, try experimenting with different ringtones. Go back to the Sounds and Haptics setting and tap on Ringtone. Here, you can browse through different tones. Some are louder and more attention-grabbing than others, so find one that works best for you. Once you find a ringtone that you like, select it, and it will be set as your default sound for incoming calls. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.